In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell USDT safely on Binance. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just looking to streamline your transactions, this guide will help ensure a secure and smooth experience on one of the world's largest crypto exchanges. First things first, you'll need to open the Binance app. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from your app store and set up an account. After logging in, head to the trade section. This is where you'll find the peer-to-peer or P2P option. P2P trading allows you to directly trade cryptocurrencies with other users, making it both a flexible and convenient choice. Once you're in the P2P section, you'll see options to either buy or sell. For this tutorial, we'll focus on USDT, which serves as a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar and is widely used for trading and other transactions. Tap on either buy or sell depending on your goal. Now comes the important part, selecting your payment method. Binance offers a variety of options to suit your preference, whether it's an e-wallet, traditional bank transfer, or another method. By filtering through these options, you can match with trading partners who use the same payment method as you do, making this step crucial for a hassle-free transaction. Next, you'll want to choose a trusted buyer or seller from the list. This can be a bit daunting for newcomers, but don't worry. Binance provides useful metrics such as transaction history and user ratings to help you assess the reliability of your trading partner. It's a good idea to pick someone with a high transaction count and positive feedback. Once you've made your choice, tap buy or sell. The final step is to follow the payment instructions provided. Each seller or buyer might have specific steps for you to follow to complete the transaction. Whether it's transferring funds via bank or another method, it's important to pay attention to these details. Once you've completed the payment, don't forget to come back to the Binance app to confirm that you've done so. This step is crucial as it signals Binance to release the USDT or your funds, thereby completing the transaction. And there you have it. With these steps, you can safely and efficiently buy or sell USDT on Binance, taking advantage of the market's many opportunities. By following this guide, you've taken an important step towards making smart crypto trades with confidence. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.